Mama TOPE. No, I don't trust that woman. You trust her, right? I don't trust her. Mama TOPE might be cheating on me. She might be cheating on me. What do I do? Okay. I know what to do. I know just what to do. I will tell her that I'm traveling. I will tell her that I am traveling. Then from there, I will know the next step to take. That is exactly what I will do. I will know the next step to take from there. Okay, let's see. Mama TOPE.
Where to?
I just got a call from my office. Look, right now, I am actually traveling.
Traveling to where?
Traveling for an emergency work. You are saying traveling to where?
Baba TOPE, I will miss you. I don't want you to go, Baba TOPE.
I will soon be back. I will soon be back. I will soon be back. You know how we do it. You know how we do it. I will soon be back. But I don't know how long I will stay. I will soon be back.
You soon?
But I don't know how long.
Don't
even know. So later, maybe it might be in a week's time or depending on how long. It depends on how long the work lasts. But that's it. I'll be calling you, Mama girl.
Okay.
Bye.
Safe Daniel. Hello? Shay, how are you? Come, that Mugu have traveled. Come and have me, Joe. My darling, I love you. Again. Come, don't be too long. I'm in the position. Come. Oh, God. Bye. Okay. Shay, come inside. Come inside, Shay.
My city Borero. My Yori Mama T. Me and you. Now me and you.
I'm your sweetie Borero. You are my jollof rice.
Yes.
Come and have me. See. The move of travel. Yes,
me and you.
Oh. Oh, that's why I love you. I know you can do it. Oh God. Oh, very sweet. just be coming anytime.
Don't stay there. Stay right where you are, Matope. So you've been cheating on me, eh? You have been cheating on me. You have been cheating on me, eh? You have been cheating.
Shut up, John! This house that we are staying inside is the one that paying the bill. Yes, TOPE school fees is the one. The food you are eating every time. Do you care how the food enter?
But you would have told me all these things now. No more, you would have told me since. Hey, young man, you are welcome, eh? You are welcome. Hey, young man, you are welcome. You are highly welcome. You are welcome. I hope you're not feeling cold. No, you are. If you're feeling cold, I can answer you. Just cover yourself up. Feel comfortable, eh? Just feel comfortable. You are welcome, eh? You're welcome. Hey, everybody take care. Go and prepare something.